I've never been up here. I've had an expectation, and it definitely blew my mind.
I think that the mountains and our diversity of terrain here is unlike anywhere else in the world.
Well, riding for me has been the best part of my life.
For me, there is no other feeling in the world than putting that helmet on and firing up the bike and heading up into the mountains.
One of the biggest draws for myself for adventure riding is just that it combines the things I love, right? Traveling, exploring, and riding motorcycles.
The terrain is unlimited, and the diversity of terrain is unbelievable.
BC's venture business is top-notch.
For me to be able to launch a motorcycle tour company and give people that opportunity to explore British Columbia and what it has to offer, I think it's a trip that a lot of people are going to consider the trip of a lifetime.
I've been to 45 different countries, 6 different continents, so I've kind of ridden all over the world. And some of the spots that you discover, especially out here in BC, you get to a viewpoint that very few people have seen before.
We run guided 3, 6, 11 and 12-day adventure rides with support trucks through some of BC's most stunning remote areas. The accommodations are world class, from mountain lodges to lakeside ranches. You really get to experience BC in an incredible and unique way.
The scenery and what BC has, I honestly don't think there's anywhere else in the world like it. The place just stole my heart.